and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the initial setup of your First Data FD-150 credit card terminal. Things first, you want to go ahead and use this little latch to open up where the printer paper would go. And then you're going to go ahead and insert your roll right into there. Close the latch back up, and that's ready for you. Next, you want to go ahead and remove this back security panel. Just gonna flip it around the back, and we'll remove that until we're done with our cabling. Then, let's put that down for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and connect these two together. And this end is going to go into our terminal right here on the side, as you see. Right here into this little port right there. And there we go. We can connect the other end into the wall, or in this case into the table. And last but not least, if you saw our FD-150 credit card terminal unboxing, you'll see it start to turn on. You'll see that it also comes with a phone cable. It comes with a phone line. Typically, we recommend that you install your terminal with the Ethernet cable, which you'll see here at the bottom. We normally recommend that you install it here with the Ethernet cable, but I'm going to show you how to connect it to your phone line, since that's what it comes with as well, if you choose to do so. So as you see, one end would go right in here, where your picture of the phone is. And if you don't have nails on, it's much easier. All right. And then, of course, the other end would just connect to your phone line. And as you can see, we have our credit card terminal ready to go. If you'd like to see more videos like this, more setup videos, how-to guides, leave us a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching.